Local news for Thursday, the 11th of October. Masterton-based pilot Bevan Dews has received a $5,000 scholarship from Warbirds over Wanaka. Bevan is no stranger to flying at Wanaka Air Shows, displaying his chipmunk at the Easter 2018 event as part of the classic aircraft flypast. A feral sheep from Maipu, south of Tekawiti, will be shorn on Sunday at Masterton's Woolshed. She'll be hand-shorn with blade shears by world record holder Peter Cassidy, who also did the honours for Shrek, the famous merino sheep discovered at Bendigo Station in 2004. And in sport, the Giant softball season kicks off this weekend. The Prem 2 men and Major B women are away, while the Presidents will play at home at 1:15 against Te Araha.